Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Let me check on YouTube if we are online. Yes, I think we are. It's pretty slow, my connection today. Okay, let's see. How is it going? I'm gonna share my screen in the meantime. I'm in the middle of a trade right now, so let me accommodate that. Okay, so there. What else do we have here? I've been selling gold since around here. So for this period, the moment I had my signal on screen, I started selling. I did have it here, the signal, but I wasn't sure. I wasn't trusting the market just because of this ramp up, very unexpected. So I decided to wait a little longer and I started selling here and then again here. Let's see how it goes. That one, this second trade I took, it's a bit risky, but all in all, it's not bad. So let's see how it goes. In the meantime, it's 20th July. 4-1. All right, so bear with me a second. But 4-1, 22nd 114. 114. 22nd 1 and 81. Okay, so I have everything noted down. It's my I have a spreadsheet which I use every day I'm working, just to make sure I do everything that I have to do during my working day. And I call it daily track. And I have every single thing that I have to do and at the moment that I have to do it. So I have a sequence. This is how I work every day. So I don't forget, or I try not to forget about things so often. I see my connection, it's a bit blur. So the TP line and the stop loss line are not, you can't see them, guys. I'm just watching myself and it's not clear enough. So I'm going to try, how can I change? I zoomed in a little bit, not any clearer, right? How can I change the color? Can I change the color of the stop loss and take profit? Colors. What if I do that? Not actually very good either. Okay, I'll put a line and then I'll go into format to some color we all can see better. Maybe we can, I wouldn't, no, I won't do I won't use that one. My mouse is tricking me up lately. Okay. Now, white. So this is my stop loss there. And this is my take profit. It's about to hit my take profit, but who knows? All right. Let me close that one, that. So I'm about to hit stop loss, take profit, I said. It's a little bit down there. Because the dotted line on MetaTrader is not clear enough. But anyway, you can also see the numbers here. This area is the area that I started shorting today. Nearly there. It didn't hit my take profit. 1,000 trade, one click trading. Charts. Okay, I think I don't have it. So let's wait. Let's wait to see how it goes. Stop loss this level. Take profit this level. This is the last trade I'm taking today. $22. Okay, let me just double check something. 22. Okay. Good. It reversed. I've been like, this is the lowest point. I've been like a few ticks away from my TP, but I don't usually move them. So it's either TP or stop loss. Because the moment I start moving stop losses and everything around, I start changing my psychology. So I'd rather stay put and quiet. Once I'm in a trade, I just leave it. Hi, good afternoon, Forex Killer. What do you think about GBP USD? I never trade GBP USD, but we can have a look actually. Let's have a look. I don't know if I have it in here, GBP USD. All right. Let me add my template, the template I usually work with. And nothing. Oh, sorry, that's 1 hour. So I'll move to 1 minute candle. I don't see anything for now. Let me clear all that. Nothing for me. Remember, Forex Killer, I don't analyze any other time frame than 1 minute time frame. This is why I don't trade GBP USD or any other Forex pairs because of the liquidity. I try to trade Nasdaq, gold as my main instruments just because the movement are very fast. So I can be in and out very, very quickly. Not on this trade. I've been on this trade for around 20 minutes, but that's not my usual target. So GBP USD on my strategy, I would say sells, but I don't see a clear entry point. So I already missed it. It was here. My entry point was here. But it wasn't a clear entry point either. So yeah, not very clear to me. Very nice number of pips I would have made, but I never trade GBP USD. I stick to gold 98% of the time. Sometimes, depending on how I see Nasdaq, I trade Nasdaq in the morning. I know everyone does it when US market opens, but I'd rather do it in the morning, London session. I mean, my morning is London session. So nothing for now, it's reverting. I was just a few pips away from take profit. Take profit is 0671 and it went down up to 10.23. So just 4 pips away. Oh, no, it's not. It wasn't. 61. Oh, just a few. Now, 0671 is it my take profit, and it went down 0684. So 1 pip. I didn't hit my take profit for 1 pip, but still, I just leave it. I was after 2,500K dollars, 2.5. 125. So yeah, I'm sorry I can't help you match with this GBP USD analysis, but not an entry for me right now if I were to trade GBP USD. I'd rather stay with gold, very fast movements, a lot of opportunities every day. So look at that, it's reversing, and with this reversion, I'd say we're going up. So I don't see a downwards movement. One of my levels was here, this point here. This was one of my levels, but now that it couldn't break down below this take profit that I had, I think I'm right now, or that's my thinking, in a very bad situation on this trade. But regardless, I'll wait. So we did win the World Cup championship yesterday. So I'm quite happy for it, but I didn't watch the match. I just fall asleep while putting my kids to bed. So everyone was happy this morning, and I didn't know what happened yesterday, as always. But I didn't have to ask. I knew it was the championship that I didn't watch. I can't do anything other than waiting. All right. Okay. Very slow movements. I love it in the London session because usually movements are quite still and predictable. Usually, not always. That's why I usually trade the London session instead of waiting for the US Open. Also, the US Open is very volatile and it's quite risky for my strategy on gold. Let's see how it goes. Not in a very good position though. All right. Let me check. Mm-hmm. Why can't we see a clear picture of the trade on YouTube? It's very blur, and I don't know why. Yeah, it's good quality, but still very blur. I don't know what's going on today with YouTube, but it's very difficult to see my stop loss and take profit and all my bars. Let me do something. Oh, still. Well, I'll try to say maybe this way. Properties. Stop loss there. Take profit here. Take profit in green. Yeah, a bit better. Not fantastic, but maybe it's better this way. Okay, so no other opportunities for now. Let's see on my other broker. What can we find? In order to me, for being on the safe zone, price should revert from here. If it goes above my entry point, I think I'll be in trouble. Okay. You could bet on what's the result of this trade that I have here. That'd be interesting. So, am I going to win $1? Am I going to lose $1? Or a 25K account? Why don't we bet a 25K account if I win this trade? That'd be good. Absolute nothing. Ooh. Halfway, nearly there. Halfway my profit. Come on. Okay, let's see. Come on. Come on, just break this level here. If we break this level here, I'll be good. But it's trying. Ooh, second attempt. And I think I'm in trouble now. I'm in big trouble. I wouldn't put my money on this trade right now if I wasn't in already, of course. Come on. Again, nearly there. Okay, made it. Okay, take profit hit. Trade of the day on this account. Good, good. But it took me. Ooh. Okay, so TP was at 2.5K for some reason. Volatility, I understand. Wow, it's $120 that I didn't make. It's okay. That's GBP USD. I'll close it now. And here. Okay, so this is the take profit. Yoo-hoo! We are all done. Chick, chick. Good. Okay, I'll try to find. Let me check. I don't think I have any more accounts to trade today, but Allow me some minutes so I can double check. TP hit. TP hit. No, I don't think. Daily track. Let's check my daily track as always. It's 26. 26. I did that. 203, 2003, blah, blah. Okay, that's, and 2382. Okay, 2382. So I am 52. 52,367 up for tomorrow. And I actually went to, bear with me, 1, 2, I don't have any more accounts to trade today, so, okay, oops. Let's see if I can find another good trade, a very, very quick and fast scalp, so I can make it up to 200 more. And actually, I think I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy, just in case. So worst case scenario, I'm back down. Best scenario, it's I make the $200 that I'm, okay, I already did them. I'm just waiting for a second. Okay, done. So 52,700, I end up 226, $52,748. I'm closing, so I did, let me show. One trade that I took and it was okay, 2.3K, and the other one around 400, $300-ish. So a total of 2.7 without commissions. Does it show commissions in here? Yeah, $15 commission each trade. So it's 227.48. It's not bad. Good. Okay. I have to pay very careful attention to the not having any trade above 50%, 60% of the total profit. There's no consistency in funding pips evaluation. This is, by the way, this is the two-step standard. There's no consistency, but if a single trade profit is over 60%, I'll be like, it's like a small strike when I get to the master account. So just in case I get to the master account, I have to pay very attention to that, which is okay. Okay, so I'm gonna clock it out. Well, let me see if I can trade something else because I'm still seeing movement to the upward. So I think it's a good moment to wait for a small reversal in here and going up. Is there any news today? Sorry, I didn't check. Oh well, I always forget. Oh, 2:30. So there was news already. I didn't even know. And so nothing else today. So it's tomorrow. Nothing tomorrow either. Okay, so let me check in investing. No, no, okay, nothing. And what about tomorrow in investing? Is there anything? It's nearly holiday time for all the Europeans, so nothing important either. Okay. Something's pinging me. All right, so let me check something. Um, okay, let me close down that, so we have more space. That was a take profit that I took in here. So that was hit, take profit hit. So my daily, I was talking earlier about my daily spreadsheet. In it, I have all the trades that I have to take in every single account. If I have to send emails, if I have to reply emails. So it's just a bunch of tasks that I have to do, either I like it or not. So they have to be done by the end of the day, no matter what. And I keep a record of everything I do. So it's important because also I can track if my performance of what I have to do every day it's done. So for instance, today I just traded nearly 12 accounts, including mine, my personal account, and other prop firms. Well, futures prop firms, mainly funding pips, to be honest. So that's the way I do it. I keep track of everything I do. So I make sure tomorrow when I sit down, I can finish my work in around 2-3 hours top, and I don't have to do anything else. Sometimes it's not that easy. Sometimes it takes longer to finish my job for the day, my work. But it usually takes me 2-3 hours if I know what I have to do every single moment. So I'm going to double check again the accounts because I thought I did buy one. I might have traded already. Which one's a new one? Hmm. Nope. I traded already. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think I'm done here. You were able to see a take profit on live stream. Nice one, by the way. So, oops, what happened here? Okay, so it's okay. So I won't take any more trades today. I'll wait till tomorrow to keep doing what I do. So thank you very much, everyone on the other side. I hope you have a nice day today and see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.